In this video, you will learn how to download eBIR forms. In your search bar, type eBIR forms and click Enter. Click the first link to show. Scroll down and look for Offline eBIR Forms package. Click the word here to download. After downloading, open the file. Click the File and Enter button to set up. After clicking Enter, this window will appear. Click the Next button and then continue clicking Next as prompted. Tap on the Install button. Finally, click Finish. After installing, go to the location where you installed the file. Click BIR Forms and press Enter button to open the file. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your eBIR form. Comment down below for any BIR guide you'd like to see. Like and follow VDC for more BIR guides. Thank you for watching.